Hey friends, if you encounter hardware access error while making video calls from Google Chrome, then please watch this video. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Okay, and then you can go to your channel, your profile. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can scroll down and select settings. Now select search for permissions. Okay, and then go to site settings, then scroll down for permissions. There's something called as the camera permission. Click on this and make sure that it is selected at sites can ask to use your camera, and make sure that the camera is the correct camera. Then return and go to microphone and make sure that the microphone is the correct one. Okay, I just corrected the microphone, and make sure that sites can ask to use your microphone is selected. Okay, and after this, the next would be click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and manage extensions. If you see any problematic extension here, just remove it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.